क्लास 12th में बायोलॉजी में आज बात करते हैं टेस्ट क्रॉस की। क्या है टेस्ट क्रॉस? तो टेस्ट क्रॉस को हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे 3 पॉइंट के बेस में। पहला, व्हाट इज टेस्ट क्रॉस। दूसरा, सेकंड पॉइंट, हाउ it is conducted, and third one, how it interpret the result. Result interpretation. So now look, first one, what is test cross? Test cross is a cross when F1 offspring as well as we can say that unknown offspring cross with its recessive parents. Unknown offspring cross with its recessive parents. How? Let's find the results and just we have perform a workout. Suppose unknown offspring जो है, mean it also helpful to determine the genotype of unknown offspring. ये अननोन ऑफस्प्रिंग के जीनोटाइप को डिटरमाइन करने के लिए, अननोन ऑफस्प्रिंग जो फर्स्ट है उसका जीनोटाइप सपोज दैट इज, दूसरा जो अननोन सेकेंड जो अननोन ऑफस्प्रिंग है उसका जो जीनोटाइप है वो सपोज हमें ये दैट इज अननोन ऑफस्प्रिंग जीनोटाइप. Why we conduct to determine the genotype of unknown offspring. जो unknown offspring है उसको उसके जीनोटाइप को डिटरमाइन करने के लिए किया जाता है. So that is called unknown offspring. But test cross क्या है? जब रिसेसिव पेरेंट के साथ unknown offspring का क्रॉस किया जाता है. That is recessive parents is this one. So let's perform the activity that is called P generation. Now one behaving just like the male, another behaving just like the female. Now the gamete is formed in here. Two different type of gamete will be formed. यहाँ दो अलग अलग तरह की gamete formation होगी, capital T and small t. And here is also formed the two different type of gamete. Yeah, we can say two gamete get formed, but both are the similar in type, that is small t and small t. In test cross we will determine the genotype of unknown offspring. And how we determine? With the help of the crossing of unknown offspring with its recessive parents. उसका recessive parent के साथ जब unknown offspring की क्रॉस करते हैं तो जो रिजल्ट आता है उसके बेस में हम जो unknown offspring है उसका जीनोटाइप डिसाइड करते हैं. कैसे? that one the result, that is that capital and that one t is going to here, another, then last one. What happen in that case? Out of the 4, what the result we get 1:1. When we are doing the genotype result, the result we are getting 1:1. If the test cross result we are getting 1:1, it means that when the genotype result of test cross we get in 1:1, it means that the unknown offspring are heterozygous. Means unknown offspring कैसा होगा? Heterozygous. If the result come in 1:1. In the second case, if unknown offspring having such type of genotype, यहां पर हम केस ले रहे हैं, we are assuming that कि ऐसा है तो क्या होगा. So now look in here, there is also the form the gamete, यहाँ भी gamete formation हुई, that is capital T and another is capital T. So क्या होगा, sexual reproduction का रिजल्ट क्या होगा, capital T and small t, capital T small t, then cap T small and cap L small. Mean what the result we are get, genotype, all the plants are similar. If we are getting such type of result, in that case the unknown offspring is homozygous. Unknown offspring is homozygous. So now we conclude that S cross is a cross to find out the genotype of unknown offspring. How can we find the genotype of unknown offspring? By crossing its recessive parents. जो भी जिसका भी हमें जीनोटाइप पता करना है उसको रिसेसिव पेरेंट के साथ अगर हम क्रॉस करेंगे तो we get the information about the genotype of its. How? कैसे? If the resultant result of test cross, if the resultant result of genotype in a test cross is 1:1, it means that unknown offspring are heterozygous in nature. Unknown offspring कैसा होगा, heterozygous होगा. If the resultant we cannot get any result and the all plant having the same type of combination, then we say that the unknown offspring is homozygous. That is the question. इसमें पूछा जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा इंपोर्टेंट, आपकी बुक में W करके बनाया गया है. तो केस लेते हैं, दोनों केस लेके हम इसको कंपेयर करके रिजल्ट के बेस में उसको कंक्लूड करेंगे. ठीक.